Hi guys, it's Diana here. I'm coming in to show you how to make a super easy Christmas card. You don't need a ton of supplies. This is just done with some dies using a big shot and simple cutting. So yeah, let's get on with it. So what you're going to need is a card base, using a pre-cut card base that comes in a packet here in Australia, in Kmart here in Australia I should say. It comes with envelopes as well, but if you don't have these pre-packaged, pre-cut bases, you can cut your own to make it the same size as mine. I know that the American card sizes are different to ours, but anyway, in saying that, you can cut this, you can cut your cardstock to measure 8.5 by 5.5 and then scored in the middle at 4 1/4, and it'll give you the same size as what I'm using here. And then you're going to need a decorative base, or a solid base rather. So I'm using this green Christmas tree. You're not going to see that, you're just going to see a bit of green border. And this measures 4 1/16 by 5 3/8. And then you're going to just glue that onto here. I'm going to use some tape. Just center that on your card base, like that. Then what you're going to do is you're going to grab another piece, but this is a decorative piece, and this measures 5 1/4 by 3 7/8, and that's going to layer on top of that and give you a nice border there. So just add some tape or glue to the back of that. There you go, just like that. And then you're going to have an image. Now I've printed some, these are AI images, and I've just printed them out on my printer. And there's some really cute AI images online these days. And you're going to just choose whatever image you want, and then you're going to grab a die. You're going to grab a die that fits your image, and then use your big shot and cut it out. And I've already done that. You can choose whatever size you want for your card. You can make it bigger or smaller. Mine is, let's see. Mine is about 3.5 inches across in diameter. So then I have this scallop circle, which I'm going to layer this one on top of. So it's only a smidge bigger than the circle itself. So it's got like a really cute little border happening. You see there? It's got like a little... Anyway, so you're going to layer these two together by putting some tape or glue. Now I prefer to use glue on the back of this because the tape sometimes, because it's a printed, I haven't printed onto cardstock and it's only computer paper. Sometimes the tape rips the paper, so I prefer to use glue. And then you're just going to add tape to the back of that. And we're just going to center it just like that. Now you can put double-sided foam tape on it, but I just made it easy for the video just using normal tape. But on this one, I don't know if you can see, but there's double-sided tape in there, so it's popped up just a little bit. But like I said, just for the video I just used normal tape so it's flat against the card. And then I have a sentiment that again is layered with a couple of dies, just a scallop and a regular oval, and we're just going to layer those two together. Actually, I would normally use tape for this, not glue, but whatever. And then add foam tape to the back of that. And there you have it, a cute little Christmas card, and you can add a sentiment or whatever you want inside. A cute little, quick little Christmas card. Alright, so thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment if you'd like, and subscribe if you haven't, please. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.